You don't need a $200 facial. Today, I'm showing you how to get a beginner-friendly glow at home. This routine is so effective that people will be complimenting your skin even during a breakout. Your beautiful face houses all of your emotions, so let's dive in and take good care of your skin. I am starting off by using a gel cleanser. I have normal to sensitive skin that leans dry, and gels are my go-to because they are formulated to clean without stripping the precious moisture. Now here's a quick tip. You can apply most gels to dry or damp skin. Just add a little water to your hands if needed for more slip or fluidity. To elevate the routine, I'm adding some steam. Although optional, steam is the secret to getting that professional spotlight feel, and it reminds me to take my time. Now, I have a little golden nugget for you. Don't splurge on your cleanser. It's a 60-second relationship. Instead, invest into products that actually stay on your skin, like actives and serums. Or you can buy optional things like disposable facial cloths. And it hurts to say that these truly keep my reactive skin at bay, but they're not the best for the environment, so use at your discretion and reach for eco-friendly compositions. Damp, clean cloths acts as a very light physical exfoliation that preps the skin for the next step. Now it is time to detox. I love when I can formulate and mix my own skincare, and clay is safe and affordable. So today we're using 3 simple ingredients: kale and clay, honey, and a teeny bit of water. The clay draws out impurities, and honey is a natural humectant, and it's antibacterial. This combo deep cleans your pores without stripping the skin's natural barrier. And I leave this mask on for 10 minutes. Now, as a woman in her 30s, I have been recommended to start incorporating chemical exfoliation. So please share some in the community section below. I am interested in trying gentle acids like LHA and PHA. I have been unlucky in the facial hair department because I do get those straggly chin hairs, and laser did not work for me. So I am going to quickly tweeze my chin hair. This is my favorite part. I love a good sheet mask. I am using the VT Cosmetics Soothing Sheet Mask. You get a lot in the pack for the price. So this one is very convenient and budget friendly, and it is perfect for daily use, but I only use these weekly or any sheet mask for that matter. Now here you can see I am using a silicone mask. This is not necessary, but I like to move around when I have my sheet mask on, so this is good to help keep the mask in place. Apparently they came out with silicone masks that you can apply your serums or skincare products onto your skin and then use the silicone mask so that it is less wasteful. I've tried that and it wasn't the most effective, but I'm interested in trying it again to see if this is going to be a better eco-friendly option for me. Girl, the lips be thirsty while doing these skincare routines, okay? So do not forget about them. I am using a lip balm that's a little oil based, so that's why it's giving me that shine and it looks like a lip gloss, but it feels like silk. Don't let me be the first to tell you that layering is key for that glow and that glass skin that all the girlies are talking about. And an essence is going to be perfect for that, especially a milky essence. I'm not really into toners. I prefer an essence because I have dry skin. But again, because I have to incorporate chemical exfoliation, I might start using a toner before my essence. But this one in particular, I swear by it. It is a biophase formula that balances the oil and water while flooding the skin with probiotics to strengthen your microbiome. So, highly recommend this product. For my treatment step, I'm going to be using a hack. I used my summer moisturizer, kind of double up on that hydration. And this one is just the Dr. Suracle gel cream. It's nice, it's lightweight. Again, I stick to using this in the summer, and then for the winter, it's just an extra step because it is dry here in LA. To seal everything in, this is now where I'm using that final moisturizer, and this is the Attude Barrier Cream. I am new to barrier creams and I am loving it because I don't feel like I have that dry, dehydrated winter skin. I just feel like I have winter skin that's like, all right, girl, we ready for summer. But when it comes to your skin barrier, think of your thicker moisturizers as like a blanket that helps keep everything underneath working all night long. So that's why I double up on my moisture in the winter. And once I have my moisturizer or my SPF applied, I like to just do the tapping massage for my face to really get those products working. This really wakes my skin up and it's easy for me to do instead of learning someone else's facial massage routine. This is just easy breezy. I start from the bottom, work my way to the top, tap, 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 and tap, 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 and go about my day. I love it, okay? I feel like it's doing something, but it might not be. I'm not sure if the science is there, but I do know that it's something I like to do in my routine and people like watching me doing it. So try it out and let me know if it works for you. Now it is time for the final step, and that is sunscreen, because I did film this at 12 in the afternoon. Some sunscreens burn my eyes while other sunscreens give me acne, so I stick to the Beauty of Joseon or the Skin 1004 Madagascar SPF 50. And again, you don't want to skip this step, especially if you get sun-kissed like I do. And there it is, the results. Look at the glow, look at the plump, look at the bounce, look at the hydration, girl. We are ready for the day, even though we woke up late. Now here I am showing you my problem side because I'm real and I want to be authentic with you. But even with my imperfections, I get compliments on my skin daily and I do a really great job of taking care of my skin. I am natural. I am in my early 30s and girl, I be glowing from the outside and from the inside out, okay? So before you go, I just want to remind you, don't be too hard on yourself. Skin is a reflection of your life. So just drink your water, get to bed at a decent time. I'm still working on that. And keep your pillowcases clean. And most importantly, limit your stress. It does show up on your face. So take deep breaths, give yourself grace, and just remember you are beautiful. More self-care videos coming soon.